I'm going to share with you the easiest way to make and do a coffee enema. To make your coffee, you want 3 tablespoons of organic, non-flavored, caffeinated coffee. You're going to place that in your saucepan with a quart of water. Cover it, turn it on high, bring it to a boil, and then turn it down so it simmers for about 20 minutes, then let it cool so it's nice and warm. You never want it hot, you want it nice and warm. Now it's time to strain the coffee. A little tip, if the coffee is still too hot, use a few ice cubes to help cool it down a little bit faster. The other thing is I always want to use pure water. I don't want to use tap water. So I use my Berkey. You don't have to use a Berkey. You could just use distilled, clean, purified water. So let's strain it. One thing I want you to know is if the water evaporates when the coffee is cooking, you can just top it off a little bit. So I'm going to put about a half of a cup of water in here and then strain it. Now let's go to the bathroom. Now grab yourself an enema bag or an enema bucket and let's fill it. Screw it on here. Now you could get air in your enema bag, so I always want to burp it first. You have your clip right here. Just release the clip a little bit, push on the bag, let some of the coffee come out to release any of the air that's in the bag. So I call it burping. Now I like to keep the enema bag elevated, so I put it on a hook right here. Now I'm not going to have you watch me do an enema because that would be a little gross. But what you want to do is grab yourself some lubricant. I'm using extra virgin olive oil. You're going to lay in a fetal position on your right side. You're going to grab your lubricant, put it right on the tip of the hose here, and you're going to insert that into your rectum here. You want to make sure that you have the clamp all the way down. What you're going to do now is slowly release the clip, not all the way because the water will go in way too fast. Just slowly release it until you notice the warmth coming into your body. If you feel as if you're starting to clamp the clamp right on the hose, wait for that cramping to subside, and then release the clamp again and let some more of that coffee in. Now this is a retention enema, so you're going to be holding it for 12 to 15 minutes. But 2 things to remember: if you clamp. You want to clamp this all the way down if you're cramping. And then once that cramping subsides, slowly release the clamp to let the coffee back in. And once you're done holding it for those 12 to 15 minutes, get up off of the ground, sit on the toilet, and you are going to evacuate. Give it a try, see if it helps you. It's helped me. If you have any questions, leave in the comments below. I really want to help you, and I want to see your health revive. God bless.